Hello guys, today two sides of CNC Router machines are ready again. The important difference with other regular machines is the customer add two rotary on their machines to use the cut and engrave the clamps. You can find that this rotary is put on the work table. This structure can save much cost on the machines and no need to cost moving the area in factories. Now let's check how it is working. Okay friends, from the video we can check that this machine can process the rod clamps by high precision and perfect effect. So if you also have the related working need that need to process the flat wood sheet and process the clamps, also need also could ask me to get some details about these machines. I will offer the most suitable accessories according to your need, and we will looking forward to cooperate with you. Okay, thank you.